Quick disclaimer before I start this video, I lost my voice, may ubo ako, so this is what the entire video is gonna sound like. Ang lalim ng boses ko. But I'm here to talk about the newest member of the Realme 12 series, the Realme 12 5G. So we had the Realme 12 Pro Plus, the Realme 12 Plus, and now this phone. So ano nga ba ang bago sa kanya and what can we expect with the newest member of the 12 series? In terms of its overall design, inline naman siya sa look ng ibang mga smartphone sa series na to. You have the big circular camera module on the back na parang may racing line sa gitna ng phone. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung eco-leather finish ng Realme 12 Plus, sadly, wala yung option na yun sa phone na to. Instead, glossy plastic ang backing ng Realme 12 at plastic din ang frame, so make sure na lang from day one, lagay nyo agad sa included gel case yung phone na to. That should also make the grip a little bit better since squared off ang edges na may quote-unquote mirror gloss finish. Slight bonus to the build quality of the Realme 12 5G is my IP rating siya, IP54. So just a reminder, that doesn't mean it's waterproof, splash-proof lang siya. Now for the screen of the Realme 12 5G, it's at 6.72 inches, Full HD Plus ang resolution at 120Hz ang refresh rate. IPS panel ang gamit nila dito at okay naman siya, decent color reproduction, about what you would expect from a display like this, good pixel density at okay din naman ang responsiveness ng display na to. Medyo concerned lang ako sa overall brightness ng display since solid yung araw ngayon, so take note na lang. Stereo speakers din ang gamit ng Realme 12 5G, which is always a bonus for me. It also sounds pretty good. Hindi lang naka-record ng sound test, nakalimutan ko, so we'll leave that for the full review. Pero okay naman yung sounds niya, hindi matinis. Okay lang, sakto lang siya. Pagdating naman sa internals, we have a Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G, which is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Under embargo pa ang benchmark, so hindi pa namin pwede ipakita as of now, but the team and I are expecting pretty decent performance out of this. I had Dewey try out a bit of Genshin Impact for the first impressions, and it did run fairly well. Para naman sa battery, 5,000 mAh ang capacity niya, 45-watt charging, so ito na yung pinakamabagal mag-charge sa Realme 12 series, pero 45 watts is not bad at all. We just have to see how long this phone will last and give you a more accurate charging time, so check back for the full review coming very soon. And when it comes to the cameras, again, malaki ang camera module nito, but I'm sure you noticed na dalawa lang ang cameras ng Realme 12 5G. The main cam, 108 megapixels, at may kasama siyang depth sensor na di ko talaga magets kung bakit meron pa ito in 2024. At para sa selfie camera naman, 8 megapixels. Sadly, gaya ng benchmarks, under embargo pa ang camera samples ng Realme 12 5G. So again, abangan nyo lang a full review, pero we have seen phones with a similar setup perform quite well, but I'm curious to see what Realme's spin on this will be. So again, check back for the full review. Now, as of making this video, wala pa yung official price tag ng phone na to. Pero yung presyo ng base Realme 11, yung Realme 11 4G, was around 14,000 pesos. So, I'm hoping na malapit-lapit doon yung presyo ng phone na to. Yun na nga, medyo bitin pa yung pwede kong i-share sa video na to kasi ang dami pa naka-embargo. So again, stay tuned for the full review where we will be able to share benchmarks sa gaming performance at saka yung mga camera samples ng Realme 12 5G. Pero based sa specs, let me know what you guys think about this smartphone from Realme. Okay ba siya? Pasado ba? Or would you pass? Again, let me know in the comment section. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which hopefully hindi na ganito kalalim yung boses ko. Peace.